Your Ram just hit 70,000 miles. You have 48 hours to do this, or catastrophic failure happens.
Here's what's coming and exactly how to prevent it before it's too late for your truck. At 70,000 miles, your Ram hits critical point. 3 systems start failing simultaneously if you don't act now. System 1, transmission fluid breaks down. System 2, differential gears wear metal on metal. System 3, engine cooling system corrodes. All 3 happen at 70,000 miles. You have 48 hours window to prevent $7,000 in repairs. Let me show you exactly what to do right now today before time runs out completely. System 1 failing, transmission fluid. At 70,000 miles, ZF 8-speed fluid oxidizes completely. Clutches start slipping badly. Symptoms you'll notice: shudder between 40 and 70 miles per hour, harsh shifting, delayed engagement when accelerating hard. If you ignore it, torque converter fails at 80,000 miles. Transmission replacement, $3,000 minimum cost. What to do in 48 hours? Change transmission fluid completely, not flush. Drain and refill with fresh fluid. Cost $150. Time 1 hour. Prevents $3,000 transmission failure coming soon, inevitably. System 2 failing, differential fluid. Rear differential gears grinding metal shavings into old contaminated fluid at 70,000. Symptoms: whining noise from rear. Gets louder accelerating. Worse when turning. That's gears destroying themselves from inside. If you ignore it, differential seizes at 90,000 miles. Rear wheels lock up. Complete failure, $2,800. What to do in 48 hours? Change differential fluid now. 75 watt 980 gear oil plus additive. Cost $67. Time 30 minutes. Prevents $2,800 differential replacement catastrophe happening later. System 3 failing, cooling system. At 70,000 miles, coolant becomes acidic, starts eating aluminum from inside out. Symptoms: slight overheating, highway speeds, heater not as hot, small coolant loss over time, gradually worsening. If you ignore it, water pump fails, radiator corrodes, head gasket leaks, total cooling system failure, $8,000. What to do in 48 hours? Complete coolant flush, new HOAC coolant, system neutralized and protected again. Cost $120, time 1 hour. Prevents $8,000 engine damage from overheating catastrophe. Total prevention cost, $337 done in 48 hours. Prevents $13,800 in failures. Why the 48 hours deadline matters. At 70,000 miles, these systems cascade fail. Each one damages the next rapidly. Bottom line, your Ram telling you act now. 48 hours prevents catastrophic failures. Comment your mileage below today.